I'm Erin with Getaway today, and we are here at the Sheraton Universal Hotel, which is one of our favorite properties near Universal Studios Hollywood, and we just wanted to give you a room tour to show you what these rooms are really like. Alright, so here is the first look at the bathroom. It's super nice. What I really love about this hotel is that it's really modern, but it also has like the Hollywood twist with all the decor, which is really neat. So of course you have a toilet, a really cool sink area, as well as a really awesome shower area. So this is a really awesome bathroom. So the room that we're staying in has 2 double beds. However, you can always request 1 king bed when you book with one of our agents at 855-GETAWAY. But we actually had the opportunity to stay in these beds last night, and they are so comfortable. One thing I really love about Sheraton hotels is how comfortable their beds are and how clean and unique and modern their rooms are. So as you can see, this is just such a beautiful room. Definitely enough room for the entire family. One of my favorite parts about this hotel is how many outlets there are. One of the most disappointing things is showing up to the hotel with your family and you all have your electronic devices, but there are only a couple of outlets. However, at this hotel, there are so many for you to take advantage of, and what's great is they're right next to the bedside, which is awesome for any family traveling. Of course, there's a really great sitting area here if you have a couple of extra people in your room. They have a really great place to sit, and of course you have a nice flat screen television that you can enjoy movies after you're done hanging out with the park. It's just a really great way to relax. Of course, if you're traveling to Universal Studios Hollywood, this is one of the closest hotels that you can find. It's only about a 5 to 7 minute walk to the park. It can get a little steep at times, so if you'd rather take the complimentary shuttle, that runs every 20 to 30 minutes. With Universal Studios Hollywood being so close, that means that you're also right next to Universal City Walk. If you've never been, it is full with unique shopping, dining, and fun experiences for the entire family. Plus, it has a great movie theater, so you can actually experience what movies are like after you've learned how they've been made. Universal City Walk is one of our favorite places to go after a day at the park. Not only do we love the rooms at the Sheraton Universal Hotel, but we also love their staff. They are so attentive and kind. Even when we checked in, they were able to take care of us right away, and they personally give us their name if we needed anything, which is so awesome. So if you and your family are staying here for a Universal Studios vacation, or even a Los Angeles one, you will be taken care of. And if you're staying at the Sheraton Universal Hotel, what to stay without visiting Universal Studios Hollywood? They have so many fun attractions and entertainment options and dining for the entire family that you're sure to have a wonderful time. The Sheraton Universal Hotel has one of our favorite pools in the entire area. Not only is it large, but it has plenty of seating for the entire family. Plus, you can always order Cajun-inspired snacks from their poolside bar, or go dine at their restaurant, California's, that serves breakfast and lunch and dinner daily. We were able to try the breakfast once, and it is awesome, so I'm sure the other meals are fantastic. As you can see, we absolutely love the Sheraton Universal Hotel, and we can't wait for you to experience it on your next Universal Studios Hollywood vacation. To book, visit getawaytoday.com or call one of our travel experts at 855-GETAWAY. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.